Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Let's dive into the invisible shield that protects our daily lives.
This shield guards the power grid that keeps our homes running.
And it secures the banking networks we all rely on every single day. So what is this guardian? It's CISA, the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. But a recent report asks a pretty chilling question about our cyber defenses. Let's get into the facts. CISA is facing what's being called a great hollowing out. The agency has lost nearly a third of its entire workforce just this year. During a government shutdown, only 900 employees were left, all working without pay. And now, the White House wants to slash its budget by almost $500 million. But this isn't just about the numbers. It's about a total shift in mission.
CISA's highly skilled cyber specialists, they're being reassigned from cyber defense to border security.
Many experts were forced to take these new roles, move, or just quit. So, what does this all mean for that invisible shield we all depend on? Well, it means the shield is breaking. Collaboration between the government and private sector has collapsed. A huge report is calling this an unprecedented setback for our national security. This leaves one final crucial question for all of us to think about. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.